Ready, start. In the opinion of the court, the observations made by this court in the latest decision clinch the issue, in which the Supreme Court in almost similar issue as raised, has observed as under double inverted comma, it is well settled that if a submission which has been urged before the High Court has not been noticed or considered, it is to the High Court that the aggrieved litigant must turn for the rectification of the record, full stop. But, apart from this, the observation in the order dated 12 December 2017 that this court had not considered the matter on merits is of crucial significance. Full stop. The purpose of that clarification was to ensure that the issues which were raised in any event with regard to the catch-up rule close were entirely open, to be urged before the High Court in the first instance, and thereafter, if the appellant were to be aggrieved, in further proceedings before this court, full stop. The above observation of this court was not merely intended to keep the issue of the non-consideration of the catch-up rule open to be urged before the High Court, full stop. That this issue was kept open, is evident from the last part of the order dated 12 December 2017, which specifically keeps open the contentions of the parties to be urged before the High Court, full stop. In addition, the order of this court carefully enunciates that we have not considered the matter on merit, full stop. In view of this clear clarification, it is impossible to accept the preliminary objection that a recourse to this court is barred after the High Court decided the review petitions, full stop. To take any other view would effectively deny access to justice to the appellant, full stop. Evidently, the grievance of the appellant was not considered by this court on merits on 12 December 2017, full stop. To adopt a construction which would deprive the appellant of the remedy of moving this court after the decision of the High Court in review would lead to an egregious failure of justice, full stop. Such a construction must be eschewed, full stop, in view of the clinching observations made by this court in the aforestated decision, no further elaboration is required for holding that the present appeals are legally maintainable, full stop. So far as the merits of the appeals are concerned, learned AG Mr. Misra for the appellant strenuously urged, placing reliance upon the rules of 2008, that the said rules having come into force with effect from 27th August, 2008, and the respondent number 1 having already retired as PCCF in 2001, the respondent number 1 could not have been granted the benefit of the apex scale as erroneously granted by the High Court, applying the principle of equal pay for equal work, close, full stop. According to him, the said principle had no application to the upgradation of post of PCCF as the head of forest force in the apex scale, which had to be filled up by selection, close, and that too with effect from 27th August, 2008, full stop. He also drew attention of the court to the rules of 2007, full stop.